it comes to finish work, the Craftsman V20 20-volt max 18-gauge nailer kit was built to perform. This 100% cordless nailer eliminates the need for compressors, hoses, and fuel cartridges. This nailer has extensive runtime, firing over 400 nails on a single charge. The easy-to-use depth adjust dial provides consistent results. Easily remove jam nails with the tool-free design, and if you need to work in low light conditions, dual LEDs have you covered. Plus, a contoured overmolded handle and included belt hook provide comfort and convenience. Give every job 100% with quality tools like the V20 20-volt max 18-gauge brad nailer kit, part of the Craftsman V20 system. Craftsman, we build pride.